How to use Grok AI Image to Video Generator 2026 Full Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn any image into a video using Grok AI, one of the easiest and most powerful AI tools available right now. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to grokai.ai. You can search for it on Google and open the official website. Step 1. Open the Imagine tool. Once you're on the platform, look for the Imagine section. This is where all the creative tools are available, including image to video generation. Tap on it to continue. Step 2. Write your prompt. Now you'll see a prompt box. This is where you describe what kind of video you want. Think of it like giving instructions to the AI. For example, create a cinematic animation of this image with smooth camera movement and lighting effects. The more detailed your prompt is, the better your results will be. Step 3. Upload your image. Next, click on Upload File. Select the image you want to convert into a video. Make sure the image is high quality, the subject is clear. This helps the AI generate better results. Step 4. Generate the video. Now click on Create Video or Generate. The AI will start processing your image. This may take a few seconds to a minute depending on complexity. Step 5. Preview and download. Once your video is ready, tap Play to preview it. If you like it, click Download. Now your image has been turned into a dynamic video. Pro tips for better results. Use clear and detailed prompts. Try cinematic words like slow motion, zoom, lighting effects. Use high-resolution images. And that's it. Now you know how to turn any image into a video using Grok AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.